Fourth generation rotate only system use a detector array that is fixed in a 360 circle within the gantry. The tube rotates within the fixed detector array and produces a fan-shaped beam. Detector elements. Many more detector elements are included in this design. The number of detectors in use at any one time is controlled by width of beam. Stationary detector. The readings that make up view are recorded consecutively during one-fifth of the scan time. Because the emerging beam does not strike the detector at exactly the same time, motion artifacts are more of a problem. Overscans. To address motion artifact, overscans are used. Overscan is a tube arc greater than 360 degree. Overscan technique will increase radiation dose to the patient, MAs and kVp setting. The tube is closer to patient, the same milliampere seconds MAs and kilovolt peak kVp setting will produce a higher dose. The X-ray source is closer to the patient, technique necessary to produce an adequate image are lower than that used on a third generation system. Electron beam imaging EBCT, ultra fast CT. Many variations of basic designs have been introduced and then abandoned. The only design currently in use is called EBCT, electron beam imaging. It differs from CR in a number of ways. This system was originally produced by Emertron, uses a large electron gun as its X-ray beam source. Massive anode target is placed in a semicircular ring around the patient. Neither the X-ray beam source nor the detector move scan time can be acquired in a short time. Invented in the 1980s, its superior speed compared with traditional CT scanners made it suited to cardiac imaging. Shortfall in spatial resolution kept EBCT from use in routine imaging, dramatically limiting the technology's clinical versatility. Drawbacks: high cost, difficulties obtaining in insurance reimbursement. The future of EBCT is uncertain as the newer multi-detector row technology applied to third generation scanners has increased scanning speed so that they compare favorably with EBCT. It has many fundamental differences from CT and uncertainties regarding its future. Detector electronics, data acquisition system DAS, X-ray photon that strike and detector must be measured, converted to a digital signal and sent to the computer accomplished by the DAS, positioned within the gantry near the detectors. Signal emitted from the detectors are analog, electric varies computer require digital signals. One of the tasks of the DAS is to convert the analog signal to a digital format. This is accomplished with the aptly named analog to digital converter ADC to measure the X-ray photons that have penetrated the patient. The detectors are sampled many times, as many as 1000 times per second of the DAS. Sampling rate, sample rate, sampling frequency. The number of samples taken per second from the continuous signal emitted from the detector is known as sampling rate. Artifacts such as streaking can appear on the image if the number of samples is insufficient. Patient table. The patient lies on the table or couch and is moved within the gantry for scanning. Incrementation feed step index. The process of moving the table by a specific measure is called incrementation. Helical CT table incrementation, quantified in millimeters per second because the table continues to move throughout the scan. Scannable range. The degree to which a table can move horizontally is called the scannable range and will determine the extent a patient can be scanned without repositioning. Numeric readout of the table location relative to the gantry is displayed. Patient placed within the gantry. An anatomic landmark such as xiphoid or iliac crest is adjusted so that it lies at the scan point. Table referencing. The table position is manually set at 0 by technologist. Accurate table referencing helps to maintain consistency between examination. Example, if a lesion is seen on an image that is 50 mm inferior from the xiphoid, this point provides an approximation of the location of the lesion. Accurate table referencing system is also helpful if the scan will be repeated at a later data through the area of interest determined on earlier scan. For this reason, the setting of landmarks must be consistent among CT staff. Weight restriction. The specification of a table vary but all have certain weight restriction. If the patient weight exceeds the specific limit, scanning is still possible. The table increments may not be accurate. This problem affects a small table increments more than 5 mm or larger. On most scanners, it is possible to place the patient either head first or feet first, supine or prone. Patient position within the gantry depends on the examination being performed. Various attachments are available for specific types of scanning procedure. Example, attachment for direct coronal scanning of head and for therapy planning are common. Most scanners refer to 50 mm inferior as -50, using numbers that are more negative as the scan progress toward the feet. However, some systems reverse this numbering system. There are also systems that refer to 50 mm inferior as 150, meaning 50 mm inferior to 0.